Hello colleague forex traders, today we are here again. Today is Saturday 22nd of August the year 2020. Now, how many of you remember this pair CHFJPY? I gave a forecast of CHFJPY in a month ago. Those of you who saw that video, now go back to that video and check what I said and see what has happened. It has happened exactly as I said, that CHFJPY was on its way up, and those of you who saw that and knew that was going to happen and took that trade should have been able comfortably made some pips here. You should be swimming in a pool of pips. I mean, about 3 weeks now, yes, you would have gotten about not less than 400 pips. That is the truth of it. Now, what are we seeing still? Currently, as we can see here, CHFJPY has also been on a consolidation phase. Okay, this is on the monthly time frame. This is it here on the monthly time frame. Let me be quick. I want this video to be as short as possible. This has been on the monthly time frame and it has been on the consolidation phase. All right, on the consolidation phase, so you can see the channel right away here. Now let's come back to weekly. Now on the weekly time frame, this is what we will see. You see, I still have that last analysis here. Let me clean it off because it's an old analysis I did. Let me clean it off because currently we have a new one. Let me clean it off. Okay, so cleared. Now this is the channel we are seeing. This is what we are seeing. This is the channel on the weekly time frame. We are seeing it clearer. This is the picture. It went up, kept on testing the top, coming back down, testing and coming back down in that order. All right, so this is the channel currently. What do you expect from what you are seeing on this channel? What do you expect? The first bearish candle has been made. Now, if you're a trader and you want to really sell this currency pair, I'll advise you take your TP to this point. It's currently at a price of 116.043, so you can take your TP to somewhere. I think let me even take this one here. Yes, you can take your TP to somewhere 114.598 if you are selling this. Yes, that is what I will personally advise, because this is a support area. It is possible we might have a reversal or not, or a better, more drops will come. So for me, if you are to sell this currency right now, let me go to daily so that we can see it clearer. You see, so just like I said, this is a support here, this is a support here. So if you currently want to sell this, already it's on a sell. So if you want to continue the sell, then you can sell up to this point and then you allow it sell up to this point of you can target about 150 pips. Yes, I would advise you target 150 pips. If you are selling this, target just 150 pips. That is CHFJPY. CHFJPY. I know you love what you are seeing, right? Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more. But to tell you the end part of it, this is CHFJPY, and this is what we are currently seeing. It's on a downtrend back again because it has been on a consolidation phase on the weekly and then on the monthly. Okay, so on the weekly and then on the monthly, it has been on the consolidation phase. So if it's consolidating, we don't want much. We just want to take something little out of what? CHFJPY. So just like I've told you, please target only about 150 pips if you are selling. And then once you get that, you wait and see what will happen next. Don't rush it. Just wait and see what will happen next. This should be what you should be targeting for now. And then wait. And so far as you remain on this channel, I'll give you updates as to what to target next. But for now, CHFJPY is a sell. It's coming down to test this area here, so you can target your 150 pips and that will be it. All right, Thank you. My name is Kofi, your admin. We have a Telegram page which you can join, where we share free signals, forecast, and then forex updates. So the name of the channel or the group is Forex Signals Only. Search for @Forex Signals Only, @Forex Signals Only, and you will be there in that group. All right, or better still, you can go to the description of this video and you will get the link straight up. Click on the link, it will take you straight to the Telegram page. All right, if you love what we do, let me see you on that Telegram page, and please subscribe to this channel for more. If you have questions you want to ask me, then you can reach me in private. If you have questions for me, @Kofi on Telegram, @Kofi. You can reach me on Telegram if you have any question for me. If you are you want some training, you want some mentorship, any other thing you want us to discuss, reach me there and we will do that. Thank you. More tutorial videos, more technical analysis coming your way soon. Stick and stay on this channel. Thank you.